Speed Passage English 16. Dear friend, Tara, thank you for your letter of 5th May. As a lover of cricket, you praise it as the finest game in the world. I do not want to dispute that, but it is not my favorite game. I have two favorite games, one for outdoors and one for indoors. Para. In my opinion, cricket is slow. Football as well as hockey can suit me, but tennis gives you plenty of exercise. For exercise and interest, I like tennis best of all outdoor games. It develops quickness of eye and body. It puts your brain, your thinking power into action. A new sets of tennis in the evening keep me physically and mentally fit. Para. For indoors, chess is the queen of games. I love it too. I take no interest in card games, and I do not like playing cards hours together. People say chess is a selfish game because only two can play at a time. Well, I do not see that. Bridge is only less selfish simply because for play instead of two. They also say it is slow, but no chess player ever says this. It may look slow to see two men sitting quiet and making a move only every few minutes, but to the two players, in my view, it is all the time interesting and existing. There is no game that so absorbs you like chess. Thanking you once again, yours faithfully, Overstock.